Hey everyone, Nick Griot from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about machine polishers, and more specifically, how to select the correct machine polisher for you based upon your experience level and desired result. I have in front of me all 6 of our machine polishers, from our dual action polishers to our direct drive rotary polisher. All of these tools exhibit unique features and benefits exclusively designed to deliver power, comfort, and control to help you achieve an excellent paint finish with minimal amount of effort and maximum amount of enjoyment. Of these 6 polishers, 5 of them are dual action or random orbital polishers, and 1 of them is a direct drive rotary polisher. It is important to distinguish the differences between the 2 types of polishers. Most people have horror stories about machine polishing, and they envision a large direct drive rotary polisher with a wool buffing pad that would often leave behind swirl marks and hologram trails, or at worst, permanently burned paint. All of our random orbital polishers are nothing like that. They are incredibly approachable and safe for a novice user, and our rotary polisher is an excellent choice for a more experienced user. Dual action or random orbital polishers feature 2 motions, one direct rotation around the hub and another oscillation off the center of the hub. This combined motion creates a random pattern that minimizes focus contact, reducing the amount of heat generated between the paint and the pad, creating ample margin of error for a beginner. The length of the oscillation off-center is generally known as a throw, and in general, there are short throw and long throw random orbital polishers. The larger the length of the throw, the more heat and friction will be created. This generally creates more efficiency in your polishing process while still allowing for ample margin of error when compared to a direct drive rotary polisher. A direct drive rotary polisher only features one motion. It rotates around the center, and that singular motion creates more heat and friction, and as such, more experience is required to use these types of tools effectively. What makes our family of polishers unique is that they have been designed and engineered in-house by us and manufactured in a vertically integrated facility by our trusted partner to our exceedingly high standards. These are not $20 two-handed spinners that you will find being used as a doorstop in your grandparents' garage. These are serious tools that can be used by complete novices or experienced professionals alike. These exclusive designs have many market-leading features all over the board. Their shape features exceptional ergonomics with ample double-shot rubber in the most critical grip points, the most powerful electric motors, patent-pending cooling technologies, ambidextrous speed controls, locking triggers, quick access brush ports for easy long-term maintenance, and the revolutionary detachable power cord, which allows you to use one cord to power all 6 of our tools. Add to that our unmatched lifetime guarantee against defect, and these are one of the best and safest tool investments you could ever make. We're going to go through each one of these tools and describe their unique features and benefits to help you select the right tool for you. First up is our G9 Random Orbital Polisher. We call this tool the Everyman because a complete novice can utilize this tool to get professional level results while maintaining plenty of margin for error as you get acclimated to machine polishing. We have sold an iteration of this polisher for over 28 years at Griot's Garage, and this generation has upgrades everywhere. It features a 1,000 watt, 8.5 amp motor that is capable of 2,000 to 6,400 orbits per minute. The machine features a 9mm throw, which makes it ideal for moderate defect removal, fine polishing, and waxing. The patent-pending fan-cooled counterbalance keeps pad and machine temperature low to prolong pad and tool life and reduce unwanted surface temperatures. This tool is great for large areas on cars, trucks, RVs, and boats, and comes stock with a 6-inch vented backing plate that can be adapted to a 5-inch plate to expand the capability of the machine as your skill set improves. If you're just getting started and you need to choose one tool, the G9 is where you should begin. Once you get acquainted to the G9, you'll almost certainly want a complementary tool, and that is where the G8 Mini Random Orbital Polisher comes in. The G8 Mini Random Orbital Polisher is a perfect complement to the G9, getting into tight spaces that the G9 just can't access. We call this little guy the scalpel, as it is ideal for cutting into tight spaces such as A-pillars, intricate bumpers, motorcycles, and is great for glass polishing as well. The G8 has a pretty big power plant for such a small tool. The 700 watt, 6 amp motor powers the machine from 2,000 to 6,400 orbits per minute, and the variable speed trigger allows you to feather the throttle up to your desired speed. The 8mm throw makes it ideal for moderate defect removal, fine polishing, and waxing. The G8 also features a fan-cooled counterbalance and comes stock with a 3-inch backing plate. The machine also includes a 2-inch backing plate for even tighter spots. You can also buy a 1-inch extension backing plate for even more precision polishing application. If you only own motorcycles, this may be the only tool you need, but in general, this is a great complement to the G9 and rounds out our short throw tool offering. Next up are our long throw polishers. The G15 and G21 long throw orbital polishers are a major step up in terms of efficiency from the G9 without fully compromising the built-in safety of the random orbital pattern. As we mentioned earlier, the length of the throw generally is paired with an increased amount of friction and temperature generation, which translates to greater correction capability and greater efficiency in a substantial paint correction process. With these long throw polishers, you gain the ability to attack light to heavy defects with increased speed, but the extra temperature generated precludes them from being used for waxing. Both the G15 and G21 feature beefed up 1100 watt 10 amp motors, precision CNC machined steel counterbalances, upgraded bearings, variable speed triggers, and can utilize either the 5-inch or 6-inch backing plates interchangeably. They also feature our unique pad tuning system, which allows you to tune performance of the machine based upon the weight of the pads you prefer to use. We call the G15 the Pro Enthusiast, as this is the tool we recommend for the experienced user that wishes to introduce efficiency into their polishing processes while still maintaining ample maneuverability for a variety of polishing tasks. The G15 functions at an OPM range of 3,000 to 5,300 orbits per minute and comes stock with the 5-inch fan-cooled hub-centric backing plate. If you find yourself polishing more than just your own cars, this is probably the tool for you. The G21 is a truly professional machine. Dubbed the Veteran, this is the biggest and baddest polisher we offer. If you're looking for the best results in the least amount of time, this is the tool for the job. The massive 21mm throw can make quick work of heavy defects and even allow you to skip finer sanding steps in a refinishing process. The G21 has a speed range of 3,000 to 4,500 orbits per minute and comes equipped with a 6-inch fan-cooled hub-centric backing plate. If you're a professional that is fighting against time and money, this is the tool for the job. To round out our family of random orbitals, the G13 Mini Long Throw Orbital Polisher is a serious tool for introducing long throw efficiency into tight spaces. Dubbed the PowerPoint, this small tool makes a big impact in tight quarters. Powered by a 700 watt, 6-amp motor with a speed range of 2,000 to 6,400 orbits per minute, the G13 features a 13mm throw balanced by a CNC machined aluminum counterbalance that creates exceptionally smooth defect removing capability. The G13 comes equipped with a vented 3-inch backing plate, but also includes a 2-inch backing plate so that you can amplify your correction capability in even tighter quarters. If you're an experienced orbital user looking for the most highly capable small format orbital polisher, look no further than the G13. Finally, we have the GR3 Mini Rotary Polisher. The only direct drive rotary tool that we currently offer, this unique tool gives you the ability to introduce a truly professional level of capability in a compact and maneuverable package. As we mentioned earlier, a rotary tool should be reserved for the most experienced of users, but this tool really increases your ability to refine your paint in some of the hardest to reach places imaginable. Powered by a 700 watt, 6-amp motor, the GR3 is capable of operating from 800 to 2,500 rotations per minute and is paired with a variable speed triggers so that you can feather your way up to full speed, unlike most traditional rotary tools. The GR3 comes equipped with a 3-inch backing plate, but also includes a 2-inch and a 1-inch plate, and also includes a 3-inch and a 2-inch extension so that you can reach into recessed areas that may not be reachable with one of our standard orbitals. If you're a seasoned pro or an experienced machine user, this tool is an excellent addition to your machine stable, and its out-of-the-box versatility will impress even the most seasoned of rotary users. Whew. Well, if you're still with me after describing all 6 of these tools, hopefully you know something more than when you first started watching this video. You should be able to discern the difference between dual action or random orbital polishers and direct drive rotary tools, and where within your skill set and desired outcome you can find the right tool for you. You can always start out with one of our short throw machines and adapt it to your skill set as it advances, or dive right into one of our long throw machines for speed, efficiency, and great correction capability. And if you feel so compelled, that GR3 Mini rotary polisher is an excellent tool to add to any professional's arsenal. If you're still wondering which tool is right for you, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel for more instructional videos on each of these specific tools, or you can give us a call at Griot's Garage. We have real humans looking to help you find out which tool is right for you. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.